Not only in Adobe Premiere Pro, in After Effects we can also stabilize shaky footage. As an example, I'll try to stabilize this footage. To stabilize a video in After Effects, go to Effects and Presets panel. In the search field, type Warp Stabilizer. When it appears, Warp Stabilizer VFX, and then double-clicks to add it to the footage. Or we can find Warp Stabilizer VFX from the Animation option in the top menu. After the VFX Warp Stabilizer is inserted into the footage, artificial intelligence from After Effects will automatically analyze every movement in the footage. The length of time for the analysis process depends on the duration of the footage, FPS, and also specs of the PC or laptop you are using. In Effect Controls panel, you will see how many frames are being analyzed. Just wait until the process is 100% complete. If it's successful, it will enter the stabilizing process. Just like before, we just need to wait for the stabilizing process to succeed. And now the stabilizing process has been completed. In Warp Stabilizer Effect settings, we can change it according to what we need it. If the video results have a lot of cut areas, you can try lowering the smoothness value to 20%. And this is the result of a video that has been stabilized. That's how to stabilize a video using After Effects. And thanks for watching.